Okay, in today's video, we'll see how to write a program, Python program, to get the sum of two digits of a given number, two or three, whatever. So, for example, if we take 2 by 3, 23 as a number, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So, adding that will give 5. So, this will try to write a program in Python, basic Python programming. So first we'll try to take input as n is equal to, we'll take any random number. So here I will try to take number as 37, 3 and 7. So now I have taken the number as 37. Now I'll write a loop here, that is while loop, while n is greater than 0. So what I'm trying to do, okay, before that there's a small spelling error. So while n is greater than 0, now we'll try to execute one part, because before that one thing what we'll do is need to take a output as sum of the digits. So we'll initialize sum is equal to 0 before this. So I'll just make sum is equal to 0. We'll initialize the sum. It's at 0 initially. So now what we'll do is, the number is 37 at the initial stage. Now it will come to this loop and n is checking 37 is greater than 0. So since that is 0, it will execute this part. Now what we can do here, the logic to get this is, take two different digits and add that. So for that, what we can do is sum is equal to sum. Sum is initially 0 plus what we can do is n modulus of 10. Now here n modulus of 10, what exactly it does is, n is nothing but 37. So 37 modulus of 10, it remainder 7 will come. So now what this 7 will do is, sum initially was 0. So now after this execution, sum is equal to sum plus n modulus of 10. This 7 will be stored there at sum, in sum. Now once that is done, what we have to do now, since initial number was 37, and for next input what we have to do is, n is to be changed to 3, because one part of one digit 7 is gone from there. So now what we can do is, n is equal to n divided by 10. So now here I am taking 2 times slash, just because after dividing it comes in, whatever comes in fraction, that will be rounded off. For example, 37 divided by 10 will come 3.7. What 7 it will round off and give it as 3. So now the n will be 3 here. So this will go there at initial n value, that is here 3, because initially it was 37, now it will become 3. So this is for first round of thing. When we go for second time, now the loop here again, the 3 is the input, while n is greater than 0. So 3 is greater than 0. So it will come to next time, that is sum is equal to sum plus n of modulus of 10. So now since 3 is greater, now sum we had is 7. Now adding 3, modulus of 10 will give 3. So 7 plus 3 now becomes 10 in sum. Now next step is n is equal to n double slash of 10. That will give 0.3, which will round off, so it will become 0. So now above equation n has become 0. So once that is 0, when it comes to the loop, n is greater than 0, no. So it will stop executing this part. 2 times the loop has happened because there are 2 digits. N is equal to 37 is 3 and 7. So it will come out of loop. Now once that comes out of loop, it will print, we have to print the sum. Now what is the sum when the n is 0? You see above there, sum is 10. So if you print, the result should come as 10. So whatever number you take, suppose there are 2 digits, 2 times that loop will run. If the 3 digits, 3 times it will run. So now I have executed, and let us see what is the result it's coming. So you see the 10 are